Welcome to Paris Fans TV. Ngiphethe Mahamutsa 1-1 draw. Khuluma nami Nkabi yami.
Khotmani yami hayi yaphetha. Kodwa before ngize ku game ngizoqala ngale content engifuna ukui-address ani. Kunento enzakalile during the week la eOrlando eyenza ama supporter which is wrong yabo ngiyayithandanga. Mothatha ubhele lento yokubhuka ama player akusinto esharp khotmani yami. Akusinto sharp akusinto kufanele avela ama supporter ayenze kahle kahle yabo lento le angiwisheli for ngisho nama enemy wami kahle kahle like abo Pirates abo Sundowns abo Chiefs inini and stuff yabo Mothapela khotmani uSibisi asakasenzele okuningi Mothapela kune final besidlala eNetbank neMTN 8 uSibisi bakazinikela kule team le so I think naye makasabona ama fans alibambuka I think lento le angeke imphathe sharp at the end of the day lo muntu lo umuntu kahle kahle naye so mesilibe sibhizi simbuka inizoqina sehlisa vele confidence yakhe like angikhulumeli for uSibisi kuphela konke ama player ama fans akufanele angayenze lento le coming to the game khotmani I'm disappointed ngama results we could have won the game today but ayiswelile yabo pule nabo basibulele but all is not lost khotmani wami. We have a game on I think on Tuesday or Wednesday against in TS Galaxy. Yeah, so I think amajita fana akhohle ngale game le namhlanje focus kule game ilandela khotmani.
Mahamutsa, who stood out for you today?
For mina sibelebele talent embatha. Yeah, iyo ama player ayathi vele adlalile for mina today but angeke ngilebe ngithi babale bethu namajita azamile just namhlanje bongasilanga labo they like so umbuthuma nondaba beyilento bengisho undaba angeke sithi bad player just namhlanje bongasilanga lakhe and as for umbutho I don't think ukuthi usa adjustile usakasitholile style lesi sePirate but makulebe khamba isikhathi I think umfana uzogcina saka adapt uzokwazi ukuskorela amagoli.
Yeah. So between yena uMakgopa Radio Man nomlungu ungafakwa bani lapha ku number 9 position?
Question yakho I difficult party.
Yeah.
For me I prefer uMakgopa. I prefer uMakgopa over uMthombo.
You missed the 1-on-1 today.
Ayizenzakala izinto ezikanje njengoba ngisho ukuthi bongasilanga laba abafethu angazi kodwa ngathini but yabona neSundowns la imuva kithi so amajita angapanic over ngoba mazo panic la ila vela azogcina vela sayenza ama mistake amani so let's focus nje thina kule game elandelayo singanaka ukuthi Sundowns enze kwenzakalani ingayenzeka na iSundowns bayishaya nje emedlalo makomokala so ini sona amabhakani anga give up ileague singayithatha I still believe ukuthi ileague izoyithatha come 23 May so besisukumisa le Natal badlala neRichards Bay.
There you have it, Mapagani. That's a confident